guess you wonder where I've been.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Oh my god, I have been gone from YouTube for like a good 3 weeks and I'm so disappointed in myself, and I know you guys are probably disappointed in me too. I want to say I'm so sorry for abandoning you guys for 3 weeks. I don't know, it's just a lot of stuff has been happening. Don't get scared, like nothing bad. It's just I've been super busy, and I know that's hard to believe because I'm such a lonely person and like, you know, but I just have been, and that's my reason for being gone. So just believe me when I say that I tried so hard to make a video, but I just couldn't. So yeah. But anyways, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun video. I know I say that for like every video because I like to think that's what's gonna happen, but it ends up being a really cringy video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash try on clothing haul. For some reason, this has been one of my most requested videos. I get so many messages and DMs on like, can you do like a try on, can you do like an unboxing, a PO box or something like that. So I was like, let's get the best of both worlds. You get the best. I've ordered a lot of stuff and I am super excited to show you guys this. So without further ado, I love you guys so much and let's get on with this try on haul slash unboxing. So I bought things from Forever 21, Shein.com, Amazon, and I think that's it. I don't really have a variety of where I buy from. Starting off with the video, the first thing I ordered things from was Forever 21. This is my bag. I kind of already opened the packages just to make sure that everything I ordered got here, but I haven't tried on anything. Don't think that I have defeated the purpose of this video because I haven't yet. Let's just, yeah, I have a problem with spending my money. Let's just first open this, actually. So for me, I love wearing red, as you can tell. So I thought that it would be perfect to buy a red long sleeve. It's just like a v-neck. So I bought this long sleeve. It was only $7.90. It's really cute. I like it. I think it's perfect for winter, especially since it's coming up. Actually, no, it's not. Here in Arizona, fall and winter is like one season. So I got this. So I bought these shorts. I have these in black, but they're super cute. They look like they fit me really big, but I kid you not, they fit me so well. They make your butt look so good, and it's just great all around, okay? Next thing I bought, something about this really caught my eye. I don't know, I think it's cute. It kind of reminds me of something like Barbie would wear, but this is the shirt. I think it's so cute. I don't know. For all of you guys that are gonna judge me and are very judgmental, don't judge me. I got myself a My Little Pony shirt. Let me just show you how cute this is real quick. It's just cropped and it's just a ring, is that what you call it? A ringer? A ringer. And it says, My Little Pony.
My little pony.
The next shirt I bought was this muscle t-shirt slash mock neck, and it just has like these two varsity lines. I'm this changes up the writing. What the fuck? So basically this is the shirt. I call these varsity lines because they remind me of like those varsity shirts. It's really cute and I could totally see myself wearing this with everything. But like I literally love wearing these 3 colors only. Red, black, and yellow. And I really like that shirt and I'm so happy I bought it. So, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I kid you not. These are the most comfortable pants ever. Like, I'm not even joking. These are so comfortable. Like, they look like joggers, but they're like kind of like really wide at the bottom, and they're so comfy. Like, these feel like pajama pants, and I wore these to school, and I can tell everyone thought I was a bum, but I was like, no, I just look cute, so screw you, ho. Don't you guys just love that sound? I bought this white polo. You know, you can wear it with like a lot of things. It's a white polo, like, come on, like, you can wear it with like anything. So next thing I ordered from was things, this is from Amazon? No, this is from Shein.com. The first thing I ordered were these pair of blue mom jeans. I'm hoping they're mom jeans because some websites say they're mom jeans, but they be like
hashtag totally fake.
and steal your money and they not even be mom jeans. I'm literally hoping that in the try on, I'm happy and that these are actually mom jeans, because if they're not mom jeans, I'm gonna be so disappointed because I spent a good amount of money on these. Hopefully in the try on I look happy, so I'm gonna say they look super cute. I love them so much. I haven't tried these on yet. I haven't tried any of this stuff on yet, so I'm actually just kind of predicting how I'm gonna feel. Okay. Next thing I bought were the exact same pair. Yeah, I think these will fit me really well. They're like a little like this, not distressed, but they look kind of washed, like washed out. I have high expectations on these. These, by the way, these both jeans feel really good quality. Like they feel like those like really expensive cowboy jeans, if that makes any sense. So if you watch The Office, you will most likely only get this reference, but if you don't watch The Office, then you should go watch The Office and then come back to this video and then relate with me. Okay. So I bought the shirt. It's black and it says Bears Beats and Battlestar Galactica. So I'm not even gonna explain it because you true of Office fans, y'all will know what this is. Okay, so that is what I ordered from Shein.com. The next thing I ordered was from Amazon. I love how I opened everything. It's just I'm really impatient and I was hoping that I got everything. The thing I ordered from Amazon was this windbreaker. Yes, it's literally just how I wanted it. So I love wearing the colors blue, white, and red. So I ordered one in blue, white, and red. It does feel kind of cheap, like, you know, like it feels thin, but that's good because like it's so hot here that like you don't want anything thick. The next package I got from Amazon, I got this. I already wore this. Insert pictures now. It is super cute, bro. Like sweatshirt jacket-ish, and it's cropped and it has stripes. And it's so cute. Like I love these types of jackets, bro. They're so cute. Like something about the zipper and the style of it is so retro to me and I like it. And that is it for this haul, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be back with more videos because it's so sad that I don't post as much as I'd like to. But I'm definitely going to be back on my YouTube game. So with that said, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below YouTube ideas, YouTube video ideas, so then I can post videos that you guys specifically want to watch. I love you guys so much. Like I feel like I expressed that, but like not enough. And I love you guys so much with my whole heart. You guys mean the world to me. So I love you. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, my beautiful cray grenaders. Stay cray and stay swaggy and stay tuned for another video. Bye!
Sitting all alone, mouth full of gum in the dry